guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this Pottery Barn dupe. It usually retails for $99 on the Pottery Barn website, but we're going to make it for a fraction of that price using Michael's and DollarTree materials. Got the bin at the DollarTree and I got the wood at Michael's. I believe it was like $4.99. It comes with 4 pieces of wood and it's really good, nice thick wood. I believe it's plywood. I could be wrong. I don't know. Anyways, the materials you're going to need is some paintbrush or some type of applicator, a tin to put the paint in, the paint color that you want, the pieces of wood, a ruler, some painter's tape, and a pencil. Oh, and you're also going to need some wood glue and some pieces of wood so that it can stand up. And now I placed a ruler so that I kind of know where to do my line of tape. Now in hindsight, I did make these lines too thick and I would suggest you make a thinner line so that it's more in line with the Pottery Barn dupe. We begin to pour the paint and begin the painting process. When you're done painting, the trick is to remove the painter's tape while the paint is still wet. This is going to get you the nice, smooth, and crisp lines. Then once that dries, I just repeated the process for the smaller inner square. And now you're going to see me struggle for a bit trying to get that curvature oval shape that it has until I got smart and used a template of something I already had in hand. And now I use the ruler again just so that I can get the same thickness as I did on the outer strip of the other board. And now I started to apply the painter's tape. I found it best to cut it in small strips. It makes it much easier to manipulate, and I just manipulate it to the curvature that I want. And now that it's all done, we're ready to paint this one as well. And now I'm going to take this DollarTree canvas because I need the wood pieces inside. So we're going to take it apart and use those wood pieces as a stand. I use the 2 longest pieces and put some wood glue on it so that it can hold together, and then I'm going to paint them black so it holds as a nice good stand. And I'm just going to glue these 2 together so they're more stable. Now, just to let you know, I was super busy, so this is the only reason why I didn't go back out and buy a better stand. I would highly suggest you go to Home Depot and buy a better stand. Then I just taped it around with some painter's tape so the wood glue holds together, and it worked. Now we're going to go ahead and put wood glue on the base of these 2 boards so that they can stick together and make a nice solid foundation that is stronger, heavier, thicker than the top part of it. Now you're just going to let that sit and dry for about 30 to 45 minutes. I also painted the 2 sticks black so that it'll blend in better. I tried putting it together with E6000, that did not work. I tried the popsicle sticks for balance, that also did not work. So ultimately I ended up just putting 2 small nails at the top and at the bottom of the base, and that worked perfectly. And this is the end result. Well, everybody, I really hope you enjoyed this Pottery Barn dupe. If you did, please hit that like button and please subscribe, as we're going to be doing my son's preteen bedroom makeover next. Bye!